pretty easy, short run.
Yep.
We've got some longer runs to do.
We do.
Let's talk about those. Let's just come over and look at what we've got going here. So, wider wall.
Correct.
We've got a window in the middle, which means we're going to be, again, using your story pole, which you made for us.
Correct.
You can see that guy right there.
Then you can see it's all lines up.
Bang, bang, you got that all laid out.
And that's all on all these edges, so when it goes to install, very quick.
And you've got that transferred to all sides.
All transferred around.
I will put this guy back here, and I want you to tell me about these.
What these are is the Gecko Gauges, and this is great where you can take a 16-footer and you can really actually work by yourself with it.
Yeah.
So what you do is you take it, it slides up underneath the siding, get it nice and tight, put the clamp, and now our siding sits right down on there with the 4.5-inch.
That is super handy. I'm going to give a little close-up to that one right there. And so this tiny little tongue right here is what's slipping behind the siding.
Correct.
This is controlling your exposure.
Yep.
And this slides up or down to adjust.
Correct.
And then that compression little belly, that opens up, and that's going to make it tight.
Yeah, helps lock it into place.
All right, so if I just, again, in terms of installation, up it goes, tighten it, you're done.
That's it.
That is pretty good. Okay, so we can set some in here, install.
Sure.
Measurement?
Let's get a measurement.
Beautiful.
Take it to the corner.
I am tight down here.
Okay, make sure it's behind. And I'm reading 120.
Okay.
So we'll minus 3/8.
So now we're cutting some long guys.
Correct. So what we'll do is we'll grab a piece.
You want me to get rid of this?
Yes.
Right? Hang on a second. Loosen, move.
That's it. Very simple.
120 minus 3/8.
19 5/8.
Beautiful. So this is where you feel it, that you're working with wood.
Correct, absolutely.
You know, this saw, I mean, beautiful saw, but the same blade that you're using for all your other trim work, exterior work, same blade. No cementatious specialized blade.
No, you don't need a dust mask. Safety goggles, absolutely. Line that up. Just a little there. There we go.
Probably all we need.
So what we need to do before we install is our friendly little primer.
We get this right here.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Okay.
All right.
Now if you take that end to that, I'll grab it here. That's great. What's great, it's durable. You can tap it and you're not going to ruin the facade at all here. Okay, that's great.
All right. Sit these guys down right here. Tuck in tight to the wall, and we'll cut the length.
Yep. You have your handy spacer with you?
I do.
There we go. How are you? You can come to me if you have to.
I'm good. Hang on, wait. Yep, I'm good right there.
Good. So now,
wait. Prove to me that our exposure is just where you want it.
Well,
not that I doubt it, but
that's what I was going to say. Now you know this is where it helps.
So you're looking to get to what?
I'm about 4 and right there, 7/16 heavy half, light half.
Awesome.
Perfect. Exactly what I was looking for.
All right. Cool. Next step.
Next step.
We're gonna.
What we're going to do is we're going to take our line here, the next course above. We're going to get a chalk line.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Snap a line so we know not to nail below that.
Get this. So again, you've used the story pole on this side. I've got the tick marks.
Yep.
Hang on one second. I'm there.
You got it?
Yep. So
now we snap the line. There we go.
Nice blue line.
And now we know not to nail below that line.
All right, glasses down.
You're set there with the...
I am good. I'm down into the Gecko. I'm 3/16.
Perfect. Looks like we might have a little kink in the hose here.
There. Yep. Unkinked. Yeah, we're losing a little bit of air.
Losing a little pressure.
There you go. It's back.
See that? I'm face nailing with the hammer, and it's not even bruising or denting. It's a hard, firm finish.
We could keep going, but I think they get the idea of what's going on here.
Sure, let's go ahead.
I do want to just sort of luxuriate again in that sort of no face nail. You know, the blind.
It's great. It's like I said, the low caulking, ready to go.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Saves time.
And those third hand helpers are great too. Thank you, Gordon. Thank you all for tuning in. Back to work for us here at the This Old House Idea House. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.